Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is finally Friday. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Kamoya. I post motherhood and lifestyle videos, or you might see me do like clothing hauls or reviews on like certain kid or mom products. But if that's the type of content you like, go ahead and give this channel a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you join the little family. Okay, so this vlog is going to be my weekend vlog. It's finally Friday. I'm excited about that. I've been working Monday through Friday since I started my job. I think October 27th. I'm not sure. I think I'm going into my third week of working, and I work at Starbucks. So I'm a Starby girl, Starbucks girl, whatever. I don't know. But yes, it is crazy. It is crazy there. Like, not crazy in a bad way, it's just crazy. It can get crazy busy out of nowhere. Like, it'll be calm and smooth, and then all these people come in, or there's a crazy amount of people in like the drive-through, and I'm new, so I'm not good at everything yet, but I'm getting there. So yeah. But I really enjoy it, and I like my coworkers, and it seems like the day goes by fast. Well, now that it's like daylight savings, it kind of goes like slow. I'm like, really? I feel like I've been doing this for like 2 hours and it's only been like 30 minutes. So that kind of sucks, but overall I really enjoyed the job. I was starting to get tired like towards midweek. I don't know, my mood shifts because I do have depression, and just a lot emotions like were running through me, so it kind of like killed my mood for the rest of the week. Working, dealing with depression, and starting over in life yourself. So this weekend is actually my daughter's birthday weekend. Her birthday is, I'm looking at my calendar. If you see me always looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my calendar where I post my content. But it's my baby girl's birthday weekend. She is going to be 2. So excited. I do have a plan to go to Rainforest Cafe. Let me know if you guys have been there, or if you have one, because last time I was there was probably a handful of years ago, but I usually really like it. But it's expensive, and we are also gonna do Build-A-Bear. But I started thinking about my budget, you know, I own now, and realistically I don't think that I can do both, so I'm gonna have to pick and choose which one. I don't think she cares about food in the restaurant yet. She's only 2. She doesn't even remember it. And that's just something we can just randomly do for fun anyways, because I have it to where I'm budgeting now, so that can be within my budget for the month to go out to eat somewhere with like the kids. And I think she would enjoy Build-A-Bear because it's something that'll last and she can bring home with her. Again, it is expensive, but again, she'd be getting the expensive stuffed animal, and the other kids would just pick like the normal lower priced ones. And honestly, I don't think my oldest 2, or maybe even my oldest 3 would want to make one, but my youngest 2 would definitely want one. So that is still in the plans, but if I can't work it in, we're still gonna make it special. I got her some presents that I have to wrap and put away, but you guys can just follow me along for the weekend. I have a few errands I know I need to run, so you guys can just join me. But right now I think I'm actually gonna prep my chicken for dinner tonight, because I want to make a big dinner, because I've been working. I haven't really been in a mood to cook like big meals, so I'm gonna do that for the kids today.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got
For dinner, I'm cooking, say hi. I'm cooking a whole chicken. Well, you guys saw me cooking it. I was gonna put it in the air fryer because you can do that. Yes, it is fat. That's the issue, it's too fat. Amazon labeled this as like a baby chicken, but it won't even fit
Can we eat it?
in the whatever, the air fryer. So I'm just gonna bake it the old way. Then I'm about to roast some potatoes with olive oil. And I'm not sure what seasoning I want to do yet. I don't like to add seasonings with salt in it. If people want salt, they can add their salt after. So, well, actually I will this time just do a little bit of sea salt. But that's it. I don't do seasonings with a bunch of salts. If I can help it. Except for this chicken. I think that seasoning has salt, obviously. Yeah. But I only add one seasoning that has salt. That should be enough. I'm just going to massage the potatoes. That. So I got my potatoes going and my chicken. I'm gonna figure out another side besides potatoes. And then, so for the sides, I'm going to do some mixed vegetables, like the steamables. And then I'm going to make these take and bake. I get these from Amazon Prime delivery, grocery delivery. Just touched my chicken on the side, but I get these delivered. They're really good if you use the, what is it, the Kerrygold butter, garlic herb butter, which I don't have the garlic herb, but I do have the Irish, regular pure Irish butter, and then I'll just add my own garlic herbs to it. But it's really good if you put those on top and then put them in the oven. Are so good. And why am I cooking such a big dinner? Because I'm working now, and although I work early mornings, I don't have the energy at the end of the night to cook a big meal. And like, schooling is weird. When my kids are in school, they come home and they just eat a ton of snacks when they get home. So impatient to wait for dinner, so I never usually get to really cook anything big anyways. And I miss just being at home and being able to do that. Sorry, I was cleaning something for my kids. So it's not something I get to do often anymore. I think for my daughter's birthday, I'm gonna make a lasagna. Well, I'm not gonna hand make it because that's tedious and I don't feel like it. I have before, but I'm gonna get the Stouffer's lasagna. You guys, last time I ordered Stouffer's lasagna from Amazon Prime, like grocery delivery, they replaced it with freaking lobster tails. Like, how is that a replacement? Like, that's completely not even in the same family. Like, they could have grabbed like another pasta, but they grabbed like lobster tails. I mean, I'm not complaining because I'm definitely going to have a night to myself, make me a little lobster boil, probably throw some shrimp in there with some potatoes, eggs, and corn, grab me a glass of wine and watch like a movie and just have like time to myself. So I'm not complaining, but that was just a really weird replacement. So instead of ordering it from Amazon, tomorrow I'm just going to do a Walmart pickup. So I'm gonna do a Walmart pickup tomorrow to ensure that I actually get it, and if I don't, I can just go in and get it instead of waiting on a delivery to come all kind of probably late. So I'm about to put this chicken in the oven, butter these rolls. These vegetables can wait last minute, so put that in. I'm actually gonna wait a little bit longer to put these potatoes in. They're tiny, so they cook kind of fast. I'm gonna give baby girl some attention over here because she's crying. I don't know why. I kind of had to move her away from the stove, so she didn't like that. But go give her some attention while this food cooks. I feel like it's really late, but I know it's not. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip.
I don't really need no
It takes me forever to drink
time with me.
teas. Like,
Looking for
I had
someone
this
who
one when
can
I left
play
work
the
at like,
wanna
I don't
hang
know,
with
12.
me. I'm not really looking for a
I'm
friend.
not gonna tell you what time it is.
Time with me. Looking for
Not
someone not
Tuesday.
afraid.
I'm going to
Give
drink
it all
that
to
and
me.
snack
Get next to
on
me. Get next to me. All that I
These are my favorite
want. Get
gummies.
next
Whether
to
the
you.
bears,
Get next
like
to
the
you.
worms,
Not asking for
the
much,
butterflies.
but it
Of
feels
course,
like the
they
two
remind
of
me
us
of my
are
daughter Okay, well I guess it's really tender because the bone came right out. So I guess, yeah.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. The look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime, you and I.
As you can see, I'm not doing a very good job at cutting it. It's very juicy, so it's just like falling apart. I guess that's a good thing though. I guess it'll be a really juicy chicken and may not be the best presentation, but it does taste good, so I guess that's okay. So I'd rather have a tender chicken that falls apart and a good presentation.
Lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. Reliving.
Presentation. So here is dinner, some chicken, mixed vegetables, roasted potatoes, and a nice crispy dinner roll. So I'm gonna call the kids to dinner and then we are gonna eat dinner. I'm hungry and this looks really good, so yes. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, it's early. I don't know why my daughter wants to be up this early. It's like 6:47. She's got up maybe like 20 minutes ago. I for sure thought I was gonna be able to sleep in. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I just yawned, but I don't know who I thought I was, thinking that I was gonna be able to sleep in with kids by myself. But that's not my reality, so I'm up. I put on some cartoons for her. I was hoping Peppa Pig was on and she's on. So she's watching Peppa Pig. I am going to be I'm gonna go make some coffee and I'm gonna go figure out what I need to get done today. I know I had a few errands I wanted to run, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee and then get some breakfasts. I'm not even in the mood for breakfast, so just get myself some coffee. And now my other kid is up. He's still tired. He just wakes up because he doesn't see or feel me in the bed. But it is coffee time for sure. You think I'd be tired of coffee working at Starbucks? No, I drink it even more now. But I actually hit the stop record, but that is why I wanted to deep clean today. I'm gonna sweep that out. I'm gonna scrub back there with hot water and bleach. I'm actually doing the entire I don't even know what to call this area of the floor. As you can see, it just like collects dirt in our floor. When we moved in, it didn't have the best wax job, and now it's just like picking up dirt like crazy. So we had to mop like more than normal, so it's really freaking annoying. But it depends on how long I stay here. I might put down some vinyl, some renter friendly vinyl, because I can't keep doing this. So I want to scrub the whole premises and get in the areas that my mop doesn't get against the wall and the floor, if that makes sense. I don't know, the crease. I forgot what it's called. It's actually called something, I just forgot. So I'm gonna be doing that. Actually, I'm gonna finish my coffee first, and then I'm gonna get my supplies to start doing that and deep clean this kitchen because it's just ridiculous. Next thing will be cleaning out my fridge, and hopefully with doing this Instacart stuff, I can save up and get a new fridge, because this one here has been falling apart since we moved in. One of the shelves was actually already slightly broken, but not enough to like really complain because it was still usable and there was really nothing wrong. It just had a crack, and I already knew throughout the years it was gonna break. But we've been here for maybe 5 or more years. We moved here when my son was like 9 months, so we've been here maybe going even on 6 years. So it's been a long time, so a lot of wear and tear, and that fridge needs to be replaced. But I replaced the dishwasher with my own, so I'm probably just gonna replace the fridge by myself, so I don't have to worry about them just handing me another one from a different unit that's already been used. I don't want to just deal with something else breaking down. So that is the plan. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I don't know if I'm in the mood to eat this morning. Maybe some cereal or something. I don't know. I kind of want to try this. But I haven't really been into cereal lately. Honey almond ancient grain kind of sounds good, but like I said, I haven't really been eating breakfast like that unless it's like hot and I don't feel like cooking. So that being said, I'm gonna finish my coffee, block this off because my daughter's gonna mess with these crumbs. Nasty. And then I'm gonna get to it. Let's look at this nastiness together because I've been wanting to get under here for a reason. They put in a new stove not horribly long ago, but it looks like it. This is bad. Look at that. What did my freaking lip gloss get under there? A toenail clipper, TJ Maxx toy, a freaking Pop It, like. So I took a break from cleaning really quick. I didn't start the floors. My kids started getting wild. So while my daughter eats over there, I'm gonna actually have a little snack myself. I'm gonna eat some smoked oysters. If you guys never tried this, you really should. I grew up on these. My dad used to eat these all the time. And you think as a kid, I'd be like, ew, no, I'm not eating that. But they're so good. And every bite just reminds me of my childhood. I know that's cheesy to say, but me and my sister would always eat these, and then we'd always eat some canned fish. I'm not sure what kind, but I have to figure that out because those are really good too, and I want to start getting those again. And I just eat it on white crackers. I was gonna try it on, what are those crackers that everyone likes? Ritz crackers, but I've never tried it on those. And these are what I used to eat in my childhood too, so I'm gonna eat those, and I'm gonna have my favorite drink. LaCroix. A cherry lime flavor water. Actually, I have 2 of these because I like guzzle these down. And my daughter loves sparkling water. She's actually watching me right now, so I know she's gonna take one. So I brought 2, so she didn't have to take mine. And I'm just gonna eat these little bites, the banana ones. These tasted gross at first, but after a while, after like a second bite, they got good. So this is what my oysters look like. I don't wanna, oh, I spilled the oil, but this is what the oysters look like. I know they look gross, but they are really good. I can't believe I just spilled that freaking oil. Oh, my food looks funny, but I promise you guys, these smoked oysters are so good. So good. I usually put, okay, these ones are kind of big. I usually put 2 to a cracker, but these ones, oh, I got the large ones this time, that's why. So they're so good. What are you doing? I love these. Why are you dumping your noodles out? I mean, I guess as long as you're eating them, whatever, but more mess for me to clean. And for my sister watching this, I have, I think I sent you like 10 of these. Because Because I think I got like 10 for me and 10 for you. So I'll send them to you because I know you couldn't find this brand. So I will send them. You just gotta remind me because you know I forget. I've been trying to send this box to you probably since like the summer. Well, not the oysters, but the baby clothes. It's really good. Back to my subscribers. Well, she's a subscriber too, but if you add like the extra olive oil that it comes with on top, and it kind of, I don't know, it's really good, you guys.
Mom, you're filming?
Yes, I am.
Can I be in your video? Mom, can I be in your
No.
video?
I punch you, baby.
You're done.
I punched you. I punched you.
Huh?
You're done. Get down. Not right now, later. So I was gonna clean under the fridge as well, but I can't pull it out. I didn't think the fridge was that heavy, so I can't get on the sides of it like I can the oven. Maybe if her dad visits them today, I'll ask him to pull it out so I can finish, but I'm just gonna go finish around the kitchen and be done, and then see if he can at least pull it out if he comes today. So, because I can't, I tried. So I got my cleaning done today. As you guys saw, it is now 12:13. I'm glad I got that done because my apartment's doing an inspection. They always do this. Well, they always say they're gonna do an inspection and they never show up. So I'm glad I did that. I cleaned out my fridge a little bit.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. feels sweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No.
Make it loud.
I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna take you. Never let down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know.
I have a phone.
The sun is getting warmer. But when we soar away among the clouds,
Can you help me with
it's
that?
just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
You gotta hold her hand. You gotta hold her hand. That's it.
Let's see name it.
That's it.
Let's see name it, Mom. Let's see name
You
it.
gotta hold it.
Mom, what will name it?
Good job. This was you.
Mom, what's her name it?
There you go.
Oh, maybe. Not that look at me. I'm my phone call. Aiden, can you give me my phone? You don't got no phone. I mean my toy phone. I need my toy phone.
Ha!
Hello? Stop calling me. Hey. Mom, guess what? I told them to like the video and subscribe.
Yeah.
You needed the channel. Mom, what do you call your channel? Mom? What did you call your YouTube channel? Mom? What did you call your YouTube channel?
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh yeah.
So your name is Kamoya. Aiden, did you know the man said, "Hoorah"? No, the black guy.
Too small. Can't go on that, baby.
No, Aiden. No, Aiden.
Do it.
I told you. I told you. Finish it.
You give baby kisses. Careful. You know.
Money on your head.
Make you go.
Money in your eyes. Not eye. I got you know. You know, like your money in your eyes.
Check me.
Money in I got you know. 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 I got my You want to walk away?
You put my brain up there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh. Ah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. Okay. Oh. Rockabye, baby. Want mommy milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want mommy milk?
I love these. I love these. Mom.
Mommy milk?
Yeah. Mom.
Okay. Let's go have mommy milk. Come on.
You better go. Yeah.
You gotta put all this stuff away. You gotta clean up.